Okay. What are you typing? What are you typing?
This stuff.
This stuff? What is that stuff?
Why? This is
You writing a letter?
what?
It's for me?
This is for what?
Is it for your little brother?
For what is your little brother?
It's for Caesar?
See?
Okay. Okay. Tell him I hope you feel better, baby.
Oh.
Write that.
What?
You wrote it already?
What?
Okay, you wrote it already. Tell him Grandma says she loves him too. Go ahead. What else are you going to tell him? What else are you going to tell him?
What?
Go ahead, write it. Tell him that you want him to come home. What happened? Let's see what you wrote. Wow, I like your letter. That's nice. Of course. Four. Are we going to count? You're going to write the numbers for him? Go ahead. 1, 4, 6. How about the ABCs? Say the ABCs. You're not going to write the ABCs for your baby brother? Sing to him, ABC. Okay. Are you done writing to him? Are you done writing to him? Are you? You are, right? I think so. You're gonna save the letter now and print it? Okay, so save the letter so we could print it off for him. And then Daddy could go take it to him in the hospital, okay?
I wrote it.
Okay, save it.
1, 2, 5.
You know you have to write your name, right?
4.
Okay. Is that it? You're done? Bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Okay. Say bye. See you later.